What's up, YouTube? It's your girl here, Hotter Creations, and I am back with another video. And as you can see, I am back in the loc game, y'all. I have reattached my locks. These are my natural grown locks. I was 8 months in when I cut them off. I went bald, but I loved it. I'm over it. I wanted my hair back, but this is a quick, I am showing you all a quick DIY of me reattaching my locks. My hair was blonde. I still have to recolor it, but I'm gonna wait like a month or two when my hair is secured before I'm able to color it again. But I'm just gonna show you all a little quick 360 of my hair while I'm in here. Sorry, once again, I'm sorry about the color. I couldn't get it all. Request my chariot, get ya. The doors open, take that hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The doors open, take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. I don't want to make this video too long, so we're gonna get right into it. So, like, share, subscribe to my channel if you like it, and enjoy the video. Alright everyone, as you can see, I already had my locks laid out and counted. I had already put some in, but yeah, I was almost done. Ready to go. Previously, I had installed box braids in my hair, and this is how much I had done within like the second day. As you see, I'm playing in my hair. They're holding up pretty good. None has fell out. And sorry about the noise in the back. I'm still at work. In this video, all I did was comb the end of the lock out and attach it to the root of my natural hair using a 0.60 millimeter crochet needle that I ordered from off Amazon. And I just went back and forth inside the hair and rolled my fingers in a circular motion and just went in different directions and poked it until it felt firm and still in place. And I will tug on it when I was finished to make sure that it didn't pop out. Just constantly back and forth until I felt like most of the hair was inside of the lock. And here I'm showing you how it looks. I'm trying to make it look seamless, so I crocheted a little bit more. And when I was done, I palm rolled it to make it kind of flat and blend in with the black. Previously, my hair was blonde, so my locks were black, so I didn't color it. But once they relock back to the root, I will color the rest of my roots black. My friend is helping me record. As you can see here, I palm roll it, and there you have it. Blends right in. Can't even tell. I tug on it to make sure it doesn't come down. This was the end result of my hair once I finished. Like, girl, what big chop. Like, you couldn't even tell. But yeah, this was the outcome. I love it still. I still have the same 116 locks. Yeah, same thickness. The ones that were smaller, I made bigger parts, so when they grow out and lock back, it'll grow out thicker. Now, the color that I use to dye my roots, I use Adore semi-permanent off black. But you know, like I said in the beginning of the video, I'm going to give it time to lock back first so I can color the rest of the roots, so to guarantee when I wash it none come out. But when I washed my hair, only one lock fell out, but I reattached it like later on that night. But other than that, the rest of them stayed in pretty good, nothing fell out, and everything is secure. And any loose hairs I crochet back into the lock. Yep, this is what I used.
Take that hot road and hop in. Open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up. Open here. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.
And that is all for my video. Thank you all for watching. You know, leave any, you know, comments and concerns if you have any questions down below. And bye, you guys. Peace.